I just want to say Danger's my middle name because I'm starting this video with like 6% battery power. How dangerous is that? Want to say a big thank you to TOPTUL, who is inviting me over to the Dublin Tool Expo on the 21st of this month. I'm just looking for the tickets and of course I can't find them now. Where are they? Here are the tickets. I'm going on Sunday the 21st in Dublin. I can't remember exactly where in Dublin. City West in Dublin. I've got 3 of these to give away, so anybody who wants to come there and meet me or come to the show, contact me on Facebook. I've got three tickets to give away, people, courtesy of TOPTUL, and we're going to be at their stand and we're going to be, you know, doing filming and all sorts. I don't know how much I missed, my phone was ringing and video stops recording. So we're going to be there at their stand and it's going to be an awesome day. If you want to meet me, like I said, be there, contact me on Facebook. 3 tickets to give away and it's going to be a fantastic day. So a big thank you to Brian and Neville who actually organised these tickets for me and organised the tickets for you as well. It's going to be a fantastic day out. Loads of tools, there's giveaways, there's all sorts of stuff to do, just like everything. You get to meet me. I'm sporting my new I was going to say lipstick, but my new makeup. It's called the Schultz effect. So if you meet me there, you never know, we can put up some makeup on together. Have a great day. And yeah, what goes on in City West stays in City West. Do you know what I mean? So there we go, people. If you want to meet me, you want to see TOPTUL and all the other people that are there, come along. Send me a message through Facebook. My battery's about to die, you know, I'm going to have to be quick. Through Facebook, and we'll meet up before we go in, and we can have a chat, have a talk and all that. You can meet me, what more does anyone want in this world? Meet me with some makeup on, sorted. So as always, people, don't forget, links up here, links down below. Check out my Facebook, check out my Patreon and Instagram and all that. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted. So for them people who made it and stayed to the end, a quick sneak peek of a video coming up. Tell me what's wrong with that. So there we go. Congratulations for staying on a bit longer.